Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to send notes to students automatically on WhatsApp on successful payment. Alright, so guys, let me first show you what is actually happening here. When someone made a payment on Razorpay, he or she will receive a file on WhatsApp automatically. So guys, Razorpay is a payment receiving application on which you can create payment pages and connect it with your website or your e-commerce store or any educational website. So suppose that you are a teacher and you are training Java language to your students and you want to sell the notes of Java language to your students. So to do that, you have created a payment page on Razorpay and you want that as and when someone made a purchase of your notes from Razorpay, you want to send them the file of your notes on the WhatsApp account. So to do that, you have two ways. One is to manually sort out the data of your student from the Razorpay account payment page and then manually compile the message to each and every purchase and send them the file to their WhatsApp account manually. But if you're receiving hundreds of orders daily, this process can be very repetitive and time consuming. So we have a better way. What if I tell you that as and when your student made a purchase and you receive a payment from Razorpay, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to your student with the file attached to it. Alright, this can happen guys, but this can be done by connecting Razorpay with WhatsApp. But the issue here is there is no direct or native integration present between Razorpay and WhatsApp. So to connect Razorpay with WhatsApp, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software by which you can connect Razorpay with WhatsApp. And the best part of this application is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between Razorpay and WhatsApp. So guys, first of all, let me show you a demo on my screen on how this connection between Razorpay and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is the dashboard of my Razorpay account and here are the payment pages that I have created, and this is the payment page with the name as Java Notes that I want to sell to my students. Alright, and this is the WhatsApp account of one of my student. Now what I'm going to show you is that I will create a demo payment from this payment page and we will see if after the payment this WhatsApp account receives a message with this Java notes file or not. Alright, so I'm going to open this payment page, and from here I'm copying the link and I'm opening the payment page like this. So here you can see the details. The Java notes, this is the product and this is the amount which we have to pay. So I am typing the name as Rakesh Singh. This is our student. This is the email ID and the phone number is, I am typing the phone number with the company with the country code. So this is the WhatsApp number of our student, and now I am clicking on pay. Now it is asking for the payment mode, so I am selecting this debit card and I am putting the demo card payment number here. So this is the demo card payment procedure and I am putting the card holder name as Rakesh only. And I am clicking on pay. Alright, so after this I am selecting this demo bank page payment as success. Alright, so guys, as you can see the payment is successful here. So we have purchased this Java notes file. Now let's see in the WhatsApp account of our student if it receives something. So it is showing this new message. And here you can see, hello Rakesh Singh, this is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment and here is a copy of your Java notes in PDF format. So there is a copy attached of PDF file, and this is the PDF file that we want to sell to my student. So this is how it is going to work. This type of message will get received by our customer with the file attached like this. Alright, so guys, this is how it's going to work. Now you guys are wondering how I manage to bring this message here from my Razorpay after the successful payment to the WhatsApp account of our customer or student. So guys, let me tell you the simplest and easiest steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Razorpay dashboard and WhatsApp. So let's start. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Razorpay and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Razorpay to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and then connect our Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. Alright, with the help of a URL called as webhook URL. And step 2, collect the data from Razorpay in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we will collect the data from Razorpay and bring it here on Pabbly Connect. Alright, step 3, send the same data to 𝗏𝗏 for sending messages on WhatsApp. So in the third and the last step, we'll send the data that we have collected in Pabbly Connect to 𝗏𝗏, that is an API software. I'll tell you all about it later. So for now, we'll send the data from Pabbly Connect to 𝗏𝗏 for sending the message on WhatsApp. Alright. So guys, first of all, let's switch back to our first tab and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, first of all, open your browser and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Alright, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, come to this products and click on connect. Alright, so from here, you can set up your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes by clicking this sign up free button, which I have already done, so I am clicking directly on sign in. So this is the all apps section of Pabbly. From here, come to this connect panel and click on this access now button. So guys, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Alright, to start working here, you have to create a workflow. So to do that, just click here on this create workflow button. And here you can enter a name to your workflow. So I'm putting it something like this: Razorpay file to WhatsApp message. Alright, now I'm clicking on create. Alright, so as your workflow get created, you will find these 2 things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a Razorpay payment and the action would be a new message delivered to the WhatsApp of our customer. Alright, so first of all, click here on this trigger option. And from the choose app, choose your application as Razorpay. So this is Razorpay. Alright, after this, it will ask for the trigger event. So our trigger event would be payment captured. So select this payment captured here. Alright, after this, it will generate this type of URL. So this is called a webhook URL, and we are going to use this to connect our Razorpay. So just copy this URL from this button, and now you have to go to your Razorpay dashboard, and from your dashboard click this settings here. Alright, so when you click settings, you will find this webhooks option here. Click on this webhooks option. From here, you can add new webhook by clicking this button. You can see we have already connected these type of webhooks, and you can also add a new webhook by clicking this add new webhook. And from here, you will find this webhook URL option. So copy your webhook URL which we have copied from here and paste it here in this field. Alright. After this, in the action events, select the active events as payment captured. Alright, so just check this payment captured and click on create webhook. Alright, so our webhook is saved successfully and created here like this. Alright. After this, you will find in the Pabbly Connect it is showing waiting for webhook response. Now this means that it is waiting for the data to get captured here in Pabbly Connect. So actually this is what our second step is. Let me show you what was our second step. So guys, our second step is collect the data from Razorpay in Pabbly Connect. So now we are going to bring the data from our Razorpay to Pabbly Connect. So let's do this. So guys, now it is showing waiting for the response. So what are we going to do now is that we'll make another payment in Razorpay and we'll try to bring the data of the payment in Pabbly Connect. So from this payment pages here, I'm opening our payment page, which is this Java notes, and just copying this. Alright, so this is the payment page. Now I'm entering the payment details again, and here I'm putting the name as Ravi Kumar as our student, and the email ID and the number is with the country code. Alright, so this is the number, and now I'm clicking on pay. And from here I'm choosing the demo card option. So we have entered the demo card details and the name of card holder is Ravi and the code, and I am clicking on pay now. Alright, so I am clicking success here, and our payment is successful. Right, now let's see if the data is captured by Pabbly Connect or not. So as you can see, the data of our payment is captured by Pabbly Connect, something like this. So the card holder's name is Ravi, it is showing the card type, and this is the details of our customer, the number, the email ID, the name, and these are the things it is showing. That means our second step is completed and we have captured the data in Pabbly Connect. So let me show you one thing, guys. So in the payment amount it is showing something like this, 50,000, but actually we have sent the amount as 500. Alright, so we have paid the price of 500 rupees only, but in the Pabbly Connect it is showing like this format. So this is the international format, or you can say Pabbly Connect does not capture the decimal point. Alright, here you can see it is showing 500.00. so Pabbly Connect not capturing this decimal point, that's why it is showing these extra 2 zeros. So not to worry about this, it will show something like this, but the actual payment is 500 only also. So you can also trim this payment. I can show you how it's going to be done. But in the next stage, what we are going to do is I'm going to click on this action button, and from here I will choose the application as number formatter by Pabbly. Alright, so why I'm selecting this number formatter, actually we are going to correct the details of amount that was captured by Pabbly. Alright, so it is captured here 50,000, but the actual amount is 500. So we are going to correct this by using this application number formatter, and in the action event I am selecting this spreadsheet formulas as the action event. Now click on connect. Now from here you can enter the formula. First of all, when you click here, and you will find this option, payment captured, and when you click here you will find the same data that we have already captured here in the second step. So when you come here and click on this Razorpay payment captured, you will find the data some like this, which we have already captured. All right, so select this payment amount like this, and here I am dividing it by 100 so that it will get corrected. So when I click on save and send test request, you will see that this 50,000 get converted into 500, which was our actual amount, you can see. All right, so we have corrected the data which was captured by Pabbly like this. All right, now another thing I want to show you is, in the data that we have captured in Pabbly from Razorpay, you will not find the type of product we have selected, or for what is the product of which the payment is captured. All right, so it is not showing the product details. We have selected the product as Java nodes here and made the payment for this product only. But in the Razorpay, we have all other products also. In the payments pages, you can see we have all other products also. So Razorpay does not send the type of product for which the payment is received. So we have to apply another thing, another functionality in Pabbly Connect. So click on this plus button, and from this action window, I am selecting the application as filter. Alright, so you might be wondering why I am applying this filter. We are applying this filter because we want to send the file when a particular amount of price is captured. Alright, so as you can see, our price is 500. So we want that when 500 rupees is captured by Razorpay and we have received this payment only, then only we will send the file to our customer. If we receive something different, let us say if we receive 400 or 1000 rupees or 50,000 or any other type of price, we do not want to send the Java nodes. All right, because the Java nodes price is 500 only. So when we receive 500, we want to send the Java nodes. That's why we are applying the filter. Here you have to click on this payment captured option, and from here you have to select this payment amount. All right, and in the filter type equals to, you have to manually enter the data which is captured by Pabbly like this. All right, so when this amount equal to this, then only we want to run the workflow or send the data. All right, so when I click here on save and send test request, it will show the condition is true. It is showing the condition is true because that this is the amount actually we have captured. All right, so our condition is actually true. The amount captured is this only, as you can see, and we have applied the filter for this only. That payment amount should be equal to this, then only we will send the file. All right, so guys, it is time for our third and last step. So let me show you what was our last step. So guys, our last and third step is send the same data to 𝗏𝗏 for sending messages on WhatsApp. So now we are going to use this 𝗏𝗏 application, and I'll tell you what it is. So let's do this. So guys, now you have to click on this plus button, and in the action window you have to choose your application as 𝗏𝗏, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Here it is. So guys, you are wondering what is 𝗏𝗏. So actually 𝗏𝗏 is a third-party API application which have the access to WhatsApp's chat API. All right, so actually WhatsApp does not provide direct API access to everyone, or it provides very limited access to its chat API only to a few big companies. So we are using 𝗏𝗏, which is the official chat API for WhatsApp, and this software has the access to WhatsApp chat API. So by using this application, we are going to send messages to WhatsApp. All right. So after choosing 𝗪𝗐 application, choose the action event as send template message. After this connect button will appear, so just click on this connect button, and from here choose this add new connection. And after selecting this, you will find these two things, the API endpoint and the access token. So we have to fill these two things, and we are going to our 𝗪𝗐 dashboard. As you can read, navigate to top on your 𝗪𝗐 dashboard, and in the API docs you will find this endpoint and also the access token. So I am going to my 𝗪𝗪 account. So this is my 𝗪𝗪 account. You can also create or set up your 𝗪𝗪 account, and to do that you can check our description box. Here we have pasted the video on which we have explained how to set up your 𝗪𝗪 account, so you can go and check it. And from here I am clicking this icon. After the broadcast I am clicking this icon, and here I have this API docs option. So click on this API docs. Alright, now you can see the access token and the API endpoint. So just copy this from here and paste it here. And the access token is here. So copy this and paste this. Alright, after this, pasting the API endpoint and access token, click on save. And you will see the connected is showing. That means we are connected to our 𝗪𝗪 account. After this, you will find these fields will open up. So first field is the WhatsApp number. So here you have to map the WhatsApp number of your customer or your student to whom you want to send the file. So when you click here, you will find this option, and when you click here, you will find the same data that we have already captured in this second step. Alright. So in this data, you will find the number like this, and you can find the same number by clicking here in the WhatsApp number field, and when you click here you will find this number here also, and from here you can map this. Just click here and it got mapped. After this, it will ask for the template. So you guys are wondering what this template is. Actually, to send messages to WhatsApp, you have to create message templates in your 𝗪𝗪 account. Alright, I can show you in this broadcast option. Here you will find the template messages. Alright, so these are the template messages I have already created and get it approved. You can also create these type of template messages. First of all, let me show you one of the template. So this is the format by which you can create the message template. So message template is actually predefined message structures that you want to send to your customer or your students, whatever. So when you create a template, you will find this template name option. Here you can enter the name of the template. From this option, you can select the category of this template. You can select the language, and you can have the header and the body like this. As in this template, the payment confirmation template, we have this body. Order confirm, hello, and thank you for shopping with us. This is the kind of template we have. So if you want to create the template, you have to click here on the new template message option. From here you can enter the name, something like this. Alright, you can select the category as this alert update. You can select the language. You can type the body of the message. Alright, and you can save as a draft, something like this. So after creating the template message, you have to submit it from here, from this option. And after submission, it took 30 minutes to 2 days to get approved like this. So you have to get your templates approved by WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook. So it took only 30 minutes to 2 days. Typically it get approved in just few hours. So you can also make this template and get it approved. After this, you can start using these templates. So here we are going to use the template with the name of this course file template. Alright, So I can show you this template also, the course file template which we are using. So this is the course file template. Here you can see we have this document attached already which we want to send to our students. So you can also attach these type of documents. You can also attach any video or any image also. So we have attached this PDF file, and in the message we have written this hello, and this is a confirmation. And you guys can also notice that we have this name in double curly braces, and we have this file name with double curly braces. All right, so these are the things which are going to change with every message, because we want to have the name of every student that made the payment. So these are the dynamic things. So that's why we are putting these things, the dynamic things or the custom parameters, as we can say it, in double curly braces. So when you put these things in double curly braces, we can dynamically change these things by by mapping this custom parameters from this option. So I'll show you how we are going to do this. First of all, select your template file and put the broadcast name. So you can put the broadcast name by the name of your coaching institute or by your name. All right, so you can enter the coaching institute name as Empire Academy or whatever the name of your institute, you can put this. All right, now we have the custom parameters option. So from this field we are going to enter or map the values of these variables here, right? So we have two variables in this template, the name and the file name. All right, so we are going to put the values of these variables from this, and you have to follow this format to do this. All right, so just copy this format from here like this and paste it here first. All right, so our first parameter is the name, so you have to enter the name of the name parameter. So our first parameter's name is name only. So just copy this and come here and put the name of your name parameter. So the name of name parameter is name only, and then you have to put the value of the name. So to put the value of the name, you have to map the data from the data you have captured in Pabbly. So from here you can find the student's name. This is the student's name, just map it from here, or you can map the full name like this. All right, so our first parameter or variable is mapped. So our other parameter is, let's see in the template, is this file name. All right, so we have to paste the format again. So copy this, paste this here. All right, now the name of our second variable is what was our name? Let me show you in the template. So it is file name. So just copy this file name like this and put it here. So the name of the parameter is file name, and the value of the variable or parameter is, you have to map from here. So as you can see, we do not have the name of the product in the data that we have captured from Razorpay. So you can go to your this payment pages and just copy this, the name of your product from here also. So copy this and put it here in the value of the parameter. All right, now we put the value of our parameter like this. So we have only two variables or two parameters in our template. So we are done mapping the value of the custom parameters. And our workflow is completed. Now when I click on this save and send test request, it will send this data that we have to the WhatsApp account of our respective students. So when I click here, you will find this type of response, and that means it has sent this data from our Pabbly through 𝗪𝗏 to WhatsApp. So let me show you the WhatsApp account. Alright, so you can see this message is received here. Hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆. This is the test PDF file is attached, and this is a confirmation that we have just received. So it sent this message according to our template only. So this is the template we have. Hello, and this it is showing in the name of our student, which we have put in Pabbly Connect, which is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. You can see hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆, and the other variable is file name. So in the place of file name, it is showing Java nodes. So this is what we have put it here in the custom parameters option. All right. So guys, this is how it is going to work. So guys, let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So in the first step, we have selected our application as Razorpay. Then we captured the data from Razorpay like this. And in the second step, we corrected the data by using a functionality called number formatter by Pabbly. After that, we applied the filter so that we can correctly send the file with the, when we receive a particular type of payment. All right. After that, we use in the action event our 𝗪𝗏 application, select the template and enter the WhatsApp number of a student, and selected and mapped the custom parameters which are going to change. And after that, we just click on save and send test request, and our workflow is completed. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.